Here's the indoor units. This is our upstairs Goodman from 2019 2-ton. With the new Goodman Evaporator on it. This is facing the back because it made more sense in that situation. There it is, the data. There is that, the drain. Never really showed the inside. That might be a problem. See how it's like vibrating on, yeah, it seems like it's floating a little bit, but it's awfully close to vibrating on this sheet metal. Cold, but not condensating. It's pretty dry outside. It's cold. This is warm. I don't want this to scrape and vibrate on that sheet metal and cause an issue. But it seems to be moving pretty freely. I think this is alright. Could use a little bit of insulation in there though. You can see the old original energy guide. Alright, well that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.